Okay, let's start our third analysis of USD US 500. Let's just go on monthly time frame analysis for next week on US 500, and Nasdaq is actually very bullish. On weekly time frame, price came, took these lows to the fair value gap, then there is a high. Oh my god, I see a pattern forming here, and that can actually kill my trading setup in Nasdaq 100 as well, guys. This can actually kill my trading setup in Nasdaq 100. I should not enter in my trade, which I explained you guys in the last video, because I have to make 3 videos because of time duration. Guys, US 500 is actually crazy. On the daily time frame, price has came to this fair value gap, and from here it should be bullish, but I think according to price action, I think it's gonna form a pattern here, which is gonna be this triangular pattern, right? This one, where you can use this trend line here as well. So this is what I'm expecting, but I still don't know. I'm gonna wait for Monday's price action. Otherwise, I was absolutely bullish on these pairs. Yeah, I can't actually take my Nasdaq 100 trade. There was a trade, I can't take this anymore. So let's just go on AUDCHF. Pretty confused in Nasdaq and US&P 500 because I am bullish, but this price action is not pretty good. So either I'm gonna wait for more confirmation, or if price drops from here, then I'm just gonna wait for this whole pattern to blow on one side. Let's just go on AUDCHF. AUDCHF, let's delete all of the previous drawings. AUDCHF is going to buy side. I have no idea why. Took these lows, it took all of the liquidity under these lows. Price is on the bigger time frame, price is actually retracing, guys. It is retracing, but still this is going to be bullish for now. Let's just view it as a bullish market. On the weekly time frame, price has a target which is gonna be these highs. Price was actually playing. Let's just go on daily time frame. Nothing much clear on weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, price has taken the lows, all of these lows. So much liquidity below these lows. There were so many buyers here, all got killed, and the real buying starts here with this fair value gap. Nice clean entry, guys. This is going to be a clean entry. Keep your eyes on this. I'm going to mark it as green because I'm going to hunt a good setup on this one. Let's just do a monthly time frame again. Monthly high targets are this one. On the weekly time frame, this is the closest target. I'm gonna have to close my trades here. On the daily time frame, price is gonna run from here, guys. Now price is just gonna run because it has played this game and swept the lows. Now it should go high. Okay, on 4-hour time frame, okay, what I'm gonna expect now, market to drop back to this fair value gap, take these lows, then from there it should take another low, or it should just take the previous high, retracement to the fair value gap, and then from there it should just go up. This is the pattern we are gonna hunt here, and this is the low. It must take, actually it should come to this fair value gap, or it can retrace to any level, maybe 0.5, 0.6, or maybe 0.9. chances are that it's just gonna come to 0.9, or maybe just from this fair value gap it's just gonna go up. So I'm gonna hunt a really nice setup on 4-hour time frame. Once the 4-hour gears change, I'm gonna invest on 4-hour, then I'm gonna look for 1 hour, then 15-minute and 2-minute entry. I'm gonna make almost, I guess, let me see the target. God damn, I'm gonna make more than $2,000 on just $100 risk. Let's just go to AUDJPY. AUDJPY, what is this pair doing, guys? Okay, on monthly time frame, AUDJPY is absolutely bullish. I don't see any reason to fall on monthly time frame. Weekly time frame is completely getting fucked up. It has came to this fair value gap. From here it should just go up. It has already taken the highs. Now it's sideways, actually, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, it has taken these highs, came to this fair value gap, and it has taken all of this liquidity here as well, killed. Okay, so what price did is, price said I'm gonna go up. People started buying here, and people who sold here, they all got kicked out. People who bought here, they all got kicked out here. Then price broke this lower level. People thought it's just gonna break. People short sold, like people sold the market here, and all of the buyers, their early stop loss was here, they all got kicked out as well. Then price didn't drop, then price just returned, killed all of the sellers, and now it's dropping again. People gonna sell again, and all of the buyers who bought the market, their stop loss is gonna be from there, and if market just goes up from here, their stop loss is gonna be under this low. Then market is gonna take this low and then actually go up. That's my analysis, but let me just, that's how market can behave actually. But let me just do a really good analysis. So on 4-hour time frame, price has retraced to this fair value gap, and from here it's showing me bullish signs actually. This is the pattern it's forming, and I hope this pattern breaks to bearish side first, then change the gears, and then all high. My analysis on AUD JPY is bullish because it's AUD on CHF is bullish, JPY is bullish. JPY isn't that clear, but I think it's going to be bullish, and AUD USD is actually similar to AUD JPY, so I'm going to mark it as green, as blue as well, because these three pairs are, I like to correlate pairs, guys. So AUDCHF is pretty clear, and EURUSDCHF, let's just go on EURUSDCHF, delete all of the previous drawings. This is very tiring, guys. Like so many pairs, but that's how you make money, that's how you hunt money. Okay, let's go into the monthly time frame. EURUSDCHF is actually has came to this fair value gap, and from here it has dropped, and now it's running to buy side liquidity because lower level liquidity is already taken. There's no point going more below, but liquidity is residing above these highs. Let's go on weekly time frame. Weekly time frame price has changed its gears, guys. I can tell you that it came to this fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. It came to this bearish fair value gap, bearish to bullish, bullish to high. Now it's gonna break minimum this high. Then it's gonna break all these highs. But my analysis on this one is, okay, it's bullish. On the daily time frame, price came back, took all of these lows, came back. Now it's expanding. Price is gonna take these equal highs, and then it's gonna form a fair value gap here. It's gonna break, retrace, and then break. I'm gonna wait for this retracement. Once price came back to this retracement, this is where I'm gonna hunt my setup. I can't go any deeper because there's daily level is still in change. It hasn't changed fully yet, it's still changing, so I'm gonna have to wait for daily backup. And on 4-hour time frame, there's nothing clear. I just have to wait for daily time frame. EURUSDCHF is good, but it's gonna take time. GBPUSD, okay, delete all of the drawings, previous week drawings. And okay, guys, this has taken the previous lows, which means no reason to go bearish, but there is a solid reason to go high because now the major liquidity is residing above this high. And it has changed gears on weekly. I can see that in advance because of experience. So this is the analysis on GBPUSD. It's going bullish. Let's just go on daily time frame. Weekly is used, daily is actually getting used, guys. This one, I think I missed this trade. Oh, it all happened on Friday, that's why, because I was not that active on Friday. I thought it's just not gonna move because there was not any big news. But this one on daily time frame is pretty good entry. 4-hour time frame, let's just have some previous analysis. Okay, on 1-hour time frame, it took all of these lows, changed its gears, retraced a little bit to this fair value gap. Entry could have been here around 2, and boom, from there it could have been all highs. But we missed that trade. Let's just go on daily time frame. It's daily, it's in expansion mode. 4-hour entry could be done around here with this order block, or deeper entry could have been done here. I'm gonna wait for it to retrace a little, then break the highs. I'm gonna mark it as green because this is all a bullish setup. It's gonna be a really good setup. I'm gonna hunt a setup on this pair, and then let's just see how it all happens. 4-hour time frame, yeah, it's on expansion, right? This was the best entry, but I missed it. Now I'm gonna chase a price a little because I can't do anything apart from that. I have to chase it now. I'm gonna wait for it to drop, then once I get my entry, I'll just enter. Let's just go on EURUSD. EURUSD, delete all of the previous drawings, and EURUSD is actually fucked up, guys. It's absolutely fucked up. I don't understand what's happening on monthly time frame, but the draw on liquidity could be this fair value gap, or maybe this order block, and minimum these lows. Let's just go on weekly time frame. Weekly is not clear at all. It's all messed up, all sideways. This is all consolidation. This is not clear, guys. I would say just don't trade this. On daily time frame, nothing much strong. It's bearish, but it's not that strong. It can now literally take these highs and then drop, and you will think it's gonna be a bullish market from here. Absolutely, I'm not gonna touch it. EURUSD completely out of my market, completely out of my list actually. Let's just go on GBPUSD. These all work similar pairs. Weekly, it has monthly. I don't understand what's going on the weekly time frame. It looks like it's going to be bearish, but there was a war between buyers and sellers. It has changed its gears now to bearish side. Still not that clear. I'm not gonna touch it. Silver, guys. Okay, analysis on silver. All right, my time window is almost done. 12-minute time window is almost done. I have to make a new video now. This is gonna be the next one, is gonna be the third video. I have already made 2 videos on all of my pairs, and I'm gonna make another video on silver, gold, BTC, Ethereum, DXY, GBP. There are like so many pairs left still. I guess I have to make 4 or 5 videos for next week analysis. All right, guys, if you guys want to watch all of the analysis of all of my pairs, just go to the next video. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and in the ending I'll make a one video on all of my 3 best pairs. Okay, catch you guys in the next video.